So today I wanted to show the beautiful packaging that Trinity Stamps does. I mean, it's just absolutely, it's like getting a gift. It's just absolutely stunning. The colors, I've taken it out of the pack, so it comes in a beautiful teal pack. And I mean, these colors are amazing. And then with this adorable teal colored string yarn, and every order comes with a lollipop and also this adorable tag that says thank you so much. It's gold letterpress in there, which is adorable. Let me move that to the side. So I hate to ruin the string, so I'm just going to put that to the side. So there's something in here I can't show you that will be coming to the store later, and I'm super excited about it. And the color palette that Tunisia has chosen is just beautiful. So I don't even want to get rid of this string, this yarn. It's just so beautiful. So I'm going to open this one first. And everything's closed with washi tape. And I ordered these. I wanted the dies to go along with the stamp set. I'm really excited about this. And I also ordered a few more die sets with the wizard sets. And I'm so excited about this magical die and the shadow cut. And then a few more die sets that I didn't have. Look at this adorable bag as well. It's just so cute. Oh, and I'm so excited to use these. I just want to eat them, which I shouldn't, but they're just so gorgeous. These pale pastel colors. Some stars, beautiful stars and sprinkles. And then I had ordered these because even though I'm just in the mood to make Christmas stuff, I know the new year will be here soon, and then I wanted to have some hearts already for Valentine's Day cards. And I love these candy canes. Look at these. These are just amazing. I can't wait to use them on a card. And these adorable sweets, peppermint sweets. So adorable. So that's it for today. I'm doing a very short, this is a short video for today. I hope you enjoyed my unpackaging of my Trinity goodies that I bought. And see you next week. And happy Thanksgiving.